are having a hiring fair for smart manufacturing, specifically CNC machine operators. There's a need for CNC operators, and employers are coming out, reaching out to Houston Community College because they know that we have a CNC program, and we are producing that talent for that particular industry, and the need is so great that it's not just a career fair, it is a hiring fair where they're hiring on-the-spot talent. It's very significant because a lot was poured into this facility and the professors and the materials that it takes to train students on. And the industry needs this talent yesterday. It's important for students to have access to the network of employers that are looking for this talent. And here at Houston Community College in job placement, it's our responsibility to find out what the industry needs and bring that student talent together so that students can enter the job market and make a respectable salary. Well, I'm elated to see students coming in and meeting directly with employers. This is what it's designed to do. So hopefully today, students will have jobs before they walk out of this building today. The mission here at Houston Community College is to make sure every student that walks into our door is eventually employed in the industry in which they're trained in.